Your personal archaeological treasure vault, mastering the favorite system. Picture this. You've just discovered an incredible granite structure with precision cuts that defy explanation. Your mind is blown, but you're deep in exploration mode, with hundreds more artifacts waiting. How do you bookmark this archaeological gold mine without losing your place in the adventure? The Treasure Hunters Challenge. Our database is exploding toward nearly 1,000 mind-bending artifacts. That's incredible for discovery, but terrible for memory. You might find that perfect example of impossible ancient precision on Tuesday, then spend an hour hunting for it again on Friday. Think of it like this. Imagine exploring a massive archaeological museum without a map, trying to remember which room had that jaw-dropping artifact you photographed last week. Frustrating, right? That's exactly why we built your personal favorites vault, your curated collection of "I need to study this again" discoveries. Your treasure vault. 2 ways in. Method 1. The express elevator. Spot that favorites button in your top menu. On mobile, expand that menu in the top right corner first. Click it, and boom! You're in your personal archaeological command center. What you'll see is pure convenience. Each favorited artifact appears as a neat excerpt with its mini icon, archaeological site name, and artifact name. It's like having your own private museum catalog. Here's the magic. Click any artifact and watch the system work like your personal archaeological assistant. You're instantly teleported back to the main page, with your view scrolled directly to your chosen artifact's image and details, and with the map automatically jumping to the right location with site pre-selected. Notice that orange highlighting in the header and accordion menu? Even better, you'll see other artifacts from that same site, depending on active filter, perfect for exploring the neighborhood around your bookmarked treasure. Method 2. The secret shortcut. Here's your insider trick. Check the bottom of that accordion menu for the bookmarks section. See that number in brackets? That's your treasure count, your personal archaeological wealth indicator. Expand this section and you've got instant access to your entire collection. Click any artifact and experience the same teleportation magic. Automatic site selection, perfect positioning, ready to explore. The VIP authentication requirement. Here's the crucial part. Your treasure vault is exclusive to logged-in members only. Why? Because the system needs to know whose archaeological gold mine to display. When I log out and click Favorites, the system politely asks for authentication. Same with the accordion menu. Instead of your collection, you'll see a friendly "Login to see" reminder. But don't worry, we've made authentication as smooth as ancient polished granite. The 2-door entry, bottom door, local credentials if you've already joined our archaeological community. Use email and password. Top door, lightning-fast Google authentication for Gmail users. Choose Continue with Google, and you're on a quick trip to Google's official site. Select your account. Potentially, enter your password. Then zoom back to our site, fully authenticated and ready to build your collection. Future expansions might include Microsoft, Facebook, or Apple authentication to build your convenience login toolkit. Building your archaeological empire. First-time login? Your vault starts empty, a blank canvas for your discoveries. But building your collection is ridiculously simple. The one-click collection method. When you're exploring any artifact, look just below its image for the bookmark item button. One click, and that archaeological wonder joins your personal collection. It's like having a magical artifact capturing device. Watch this. Click, and boom, your newest treasure appears in the list immediately. Add as many as you want, though we recommend keeping your collection focused. Maybe 20 to 30 artifacts max. Think quality over quantity, like a museum curator selecting only the most extraordinary pieces. Vault management. Keep it organized. Changed your mind about an artifact? No problem. You've got 2 instant removal methods. Method 1. The direct approach. While viewing any artifact, click Remove Bookmark right under the image. Gone instantly. Method 2. The collection manager. Open your favorites list and spot those remove icons in the top right corner of each artifact excerpt. Click any one for immediate removal from your vault. Your multi-device archaeological laboratory. Here's the beautiful part. Your treasure vault syncs seamlessly across all your devices. Desktop research session at home? Your collection is there. Mobile exploration during lunch break. Same favorites, tablet browsing on the weekend. Everything synchronized perfectly. You're building one unified archaeological research library that follows you everywhere. Unfortunately, offline access isn't available yet, but your cross-device sync means you're rarely stuck without your collection. Sharing your discoveries. Found something extraordinary that your fellow archaeological enthusiasts need to see? While we don't currently offer full collection sharing, though that might change based on your feedback, you can share individual artifacts using the Share button beneath any artifact image. Send that link to a friend, and they'll see the complete artifact details. In their browser, your personal recommendation delivered perfectly. Future Vault enhancements. Your input wanted. We're constantly evolving your archaeological toolkit. Imagine some potential upgrades. Got ideas? Drop them in our blog section. We're building this for passionate archaeological explorers like you. Let's summarize. Your archaeological collection mastery unlocked. You now command a sophisticated personal research system. Lightning access. 2 pathways to your collection. Smart authentication. Secure, simple login options. One-click collecting. Instant artifact bookmarking. Flexible management. Easy addition and removal. Universal sync. Your collection everywhere you explore. Your treasure hunting days are over. You're now an organized archaeological curator with instant access to your most important discoveries. Ready to build your personal collection of ancient mysteries? Your archaeological treasure vault awaits. Start bookmarking the evidence that will change everything you thought you knew about our ancestors.